How to do spot trading on Binance. Now in order to do spot trading on Binance, you just simply need to open your Binance application, and after that you will get to see this option of trade at the very bottom. Just simply select the trade option, and from here you just simply need to select the spot option right here. At first, you just simply need to select the currency which you would like to buy or sell from the spot. For my case, I am going to select Bitcoin and BNB from here. And after this, you can select the order type in this section. I guess you already have the idea about limit, market, and stop limit and all of these. And just simply select the order type that fits perfectly to you. And after that, it will show price and amount for your Bitcoin and BNB. And after setting up all of this, you just simply need to tap into buy BNB or any of the other cryptocurrency that you have selected. And after doing that, your spot trading will be successful. You can also do the same thing with sell in this section. I hope you understand all the process. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.